Okay, it's time for today's CSS battle. Let's see what we've got. It's an interesting shape. How do we want to start this? Let's just take that out. Right, let's start with this template. Set this background to a yellow. Leave those as is for now. Set this color to the green. Then do border radius 0. That's close, but the wrong way around. That should be 0. It should be 80 maybe. 80. That looks like the right size. What I'm not sure is if you reflect twice, if you get the reflections in the reflections. But we'll work that out in a minute. First, set the margins to something useful. How about 10, 20, 30 looks like it's right. How about 10? How about 2? That looks good. For this, we'll set a gradient. I need 310, so 220. 220 pixels, and its height is 80 pixels. This color 75%, and then the green. Then we shift it 90 pixels in, and 110 down. Okay, that gets us that much. Now, if we use webkit-box-reflect bottom, and 80 pixels maybe. That's below. It is. If we do another P, P, intended here. Then just do margin left. Take 80 off of 392, so 312. And do scale -1, 1. Might be 302. That looks good. See how close that is. That is 100%. Could have done that with just 2 elements and some box shadows. Actually, I think that would still work. So if we actually set color to that, get rid of this, use a box shadow, 200 pixels 0. Change that from 110 to 30. That wants to be 110. Why is this first one not in the right place? Oh, how have I got to? Oh, right. Insert 1 in, 1 in. Then this wants to be 80 pixels down. 220, 230, 240, 250, 260. Okay, not 80, 160. This probably wants to be 300. Let's check that. Minify Unit Replace this version. And let's load previous version. Minify Unit Replace that one too. So we don't really save anything by using webkit-box-reflect. In fact, we get the same score for both, with the difference being box shadow is more widespread. Would we if we used that and that instead, then we scale 1 minus 1. Get rid of this margin left. Puts that there. Just make that minus 30. No. That should also be 100% and it's a bit shorter. Might be able to take this out, set the right margin to 302. That's the left margin, so let's go 2, and 302, about 302. Perfect. That's another little bit of a saving. We can replace this body with an ampersand. That, I think, is where I'm going to leave that for today.